guys, I'm up close and personal because I want to share with you our new jewel kit. This one is called the leaf kit because it has a beautiful gold leaf in it, along with other jewels, cowrie shell and a wooden bead. So that's the leaf, which is absolutely stunning, cowrie shell, and this is the wooden bead. I'm literally doing this on the fly. So the leaf is gonna go here because it's super cute. I'm gonna put the rest of the bands like running down the lock, and the leaf is gonna be like the final piece in the puzzle. That looks super cute and it stands out, but what we can also do is I might add the shell at the end here. That is cute. Here I have my purple elephant and here's my other feature, and you can see how well they complement one another. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.